Hi there, welcome to a new week. This week is May 17th through the 21st. This is an exciting week because we are really preparing the students to finish the year strong with this study hall schedule. During those live classes, students who have overdue assignments are going to have time to work on those overdue assignments and just make sure that we're ready for that last day of school and we can wrap up strong on May 28th. I'm going to go over in this newsletter some items about this last week of school, what we mean by beach day, last day of school, slideshow, those types of things. But before we jump into that, just want to remind you that this week on the 19th is our last homeroom assembly, our last lunch bunch of the year. So make sure if your student loves lunch bunch, we know that a lot of them do, make sure they know to come to this and to be excited for this. And we're really excited to just finish the year strong. All right, so a little bit of information about that beach party that we're going to have on that second to last day of school. We're going to do a beach party and it should be really fun. It's just going to be in those live classes. That study hall schedule will continue, but we'll just do it during that time. So come in beach wear, learning coaches and students, families, if you have siblings, all are invited. Wear your beach wear, come for some fun games, some fun activities, just a fun last few days of school second grade party. The other item that I wanted to just mention is our last day of school on May 28th. We'll be doing a second grade slideshow. I've been working really hard putting this together for the kiddos. We're just putting some fun videos, some fun pictures from the school year, and it should be a really fun experience. Again, that'll be in those live Class Connect sessions. It'll be just your study hall schedule, what we've been doing this whole time. All are welcome. We encourage families to come and see all the amazing things that have happened this school year and just end the year on a great note. The last thing that I just wanted to touch on is please get those pictures to me as soon as possible. I'm just finishing up that class photo. If we don't get a picture from you in the next few days, then we will just take a screenshot picture of your student in a Class Connect session. But if you would like to order school pictures, I know this year has been really different than before. Usually in a brick and mortar school, you can have picture day and order pictures of your student. That doesn't really happen this year because of COVID-19. But if you wanted some pictures, one of our fantastic learning coaches shared this amazing resource, and she said that it's pretty affordable too. You upload your picture, just the picture that you've sent to me for that class photo, and you can order some, and they're affordable, which is a great option. So if you want to do something like this, you could, it's called Life Touch. But we will not be ordering this for you. This is something you could do on your own. I just wanted to kind of put it out there. If it's something that you would like to look into and you would like to pursue, please feel free to. And then this is just your reminder to please get that class photo to me if you have not, so we can wrap that up, finish it up, and get it ready to send out to you hopefully sometime next week. Also, just something else to think about as we are wrapping up the school year. Make sure that your student is attending every live class session. I know it's really easy with these last 2 weeks of school to maybe miss a class or two here and there, but attendance is still required. We still want to see your students' face in class. We want them to come. So please make it a priority for them to come to every live session. And please encourage them to come to this lunch bunch. We would love to just kind of have that last lunch bunch together because we will not have lunch bunch next week. So we would love to have everyone there if you're able to make it. But please reach out if you have any questions. We're really excited for this week and next week. It should be a really strong end to the year. I also wanted to let you know that NWEA test, those results, we will send you an email with those results and you'll be able to see your students' progress throughout the year. It'll show you in a really nice bar graph. You'll be able to see their beginning, middle, and end of the year test scores if they've been with us all year long, and you'll be able to see that growth that we talked about in last week's newsletter. So look out for that parent report in the next 2 weeks or so. You'll get that in an email, and you can feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions about that. All right, I hope you have a wonderful week. Please reach out if you have any questions.